Me, Ranit. My name is Ranit and my register number is ER15CS324. Today we are going to discuss two programs about structures coming under somewhat it's coming under looping only. Structures. There are two parts, part A and part B. From each we are discussing one problem. Here we are discussing about phone number. This is nothing but they have given some values as a phone number. We should display in this format. And again we should ask the users to input some values for this phone number, and again we should display this as a in this format we should display. For that they have said that we should use two variables. Let's see the program. For all programs we should type these things, hash include ios strings, nothing is but it's a preprocessor hash include, and ios string is a header file. Using namespace std means it's a standard code. There's some features we can use using this std. Struct font means font means it's a structure name. We are initializing it is struct. And AR code means AR code, EX means exchange number, NO means it's a number. We are all declaring this inside a data type called int. And this is phone means it's nothing but a structure variable. There are two ways of declaring structure variable. This is the one type. Another type I will show in this program. Then I'm typing int main. It's a function with no argument values. Again, I'm accessing this member structure members. This dot operator and this structure variable. With these two things only we can access the structure member. And I'm giving values for that, which is given in the question. And again, I am asking the user to input some values like these things to output to display to print the phone number in this format. And this should be the user will be given some values that should be stored in the structure member, so that I am using this for ph2 means it's a second variable, and dot means it's a dot operator. Using AR code means it's a member. These three steps are like this only, and I am giving output as my number is, and these things it will come. These things it will be shown in the format. I am outputting in the, and see out your number is tab. These tabs are used to give some space, so it will be very good look for the program. And the same thing, so and returning the zero means it's a returning. I am usually here into data type, so I am returning the zero value. Let's see the program. How it was. It's asking area code. I am giving it as same question. It was given some values. I will follow the values. 415 and 555, 121. Okay, let's come to the program. 415, 555, 1212. Look, it's showing the same kind of format. That means the program is executed successfully. Let's come to the second problem, which is coming under the part B. It's about time, or we should calculate this. It's something about arithmetic calculation only. And here they have given no values. We have to ask the users to give some values, and we have to display in this format. So let's see the program. Time. First of all, we should type hash ios, which same stuff things for all programs, and we are initializing the structure name as struct time, and declaring all variables, hours, minutes, seconds in data type int. And I have already said there is two ways of initializing the variable structure variable. One thing I have showed in before the previous program. Now the second way of initializing the variable is using the structure name time t. It's a variable time. We are using the structure name time, and we are declaring a variable t. And again, these things all are coming under the in main function with no argument values. Again, I am declaring I and total answer in int type, and y as a character type. Here I am using a do while loop. Do while loop means first of all I am giving enter asking the user to input some values and taking into the structure member using the dot operator. This is the arithmetic part in this program. This will calculate total second, how many seconds is there, how many seconds are there. These things will show how output the total seconds. This slash is nothing but it will print the next output in next line, which will be very good looking. Again, it's asking press Y to continue. This is nothing but simple things that if you want to continue, we should press Y or press any key to exit. This while in do while loop, always the while should be at the end because do will ask this do all. We should display all things in between the do. This is the body function. This while means always in do while the condition will come at last only. This is return zero. Let's see the program. It's asking hours and minutes. I'm giving 2 as hours and 30 as minutes and 60 as seconds. We can say I'm giving us 30 as seconds again. So it's showing in this format only and it's calculated 9030. That's all.